Okay, so we made it. It's March, it's sunny, it's warm. So it must be time to sow everything. Right? Wrong. Bear in mind that just because we've entered March and it feels a little bit warmer and it's sunny, British weather is so unpredictable and it could just change like that and get colder and colder and colder and colder and colder. You see, the British weather is so unpredictable. I learnt that through experience. Only last year I grew 250 dahlias and they looked really well. There was about 2 inch tall, very healthy. So in April I thought, now it's time to move them outside into the greenhouse because it's April, it's sunny, it's warm. Bad idea. Mid-April last year, overnight, the temperatures plummeted to -4. Basically killing every plant in this greenhouse. That had 2 layers of fleece over the top, plus a layer of bubble wrap. It still wiped out every single plant. So, before you go from this to this, just bear in mind, it could happen to you. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't sow all your seeds just because sun's come out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a really great growing season. Take care.